Off camera, I cut a template. As everyone knows, cutting templates sucks. So, did off camera because it took like 30 times. We're going to be using 1/4 inch plywood on the walls. I wouldn't be surprised if this didn't fit the first time. Nice. Actually, fits great the first time. Oh, I can't believe that. Seriously, can't believe that. Take your time doing your templates. Get it right the first time. Now let's figure out how to get this girl to stay. So now that I know that that corner fits perfect, I'm going to pop out this window so we can get a stencil and I can get everything cut out outside the rig and tack this wall up, and we'll have one wall up. Yeah.
I attempt to raise my voice like a son we couldn't keep. The palm trees that wave goodbye were never very welcoming. I miss the mouths that called me brother. I miss so many little things. I miss the
So I'm accustomed to working by myself, and I figured out a couple of tricks. I call them helper blocks. Use that one block right there to stabilize, and then this block right here to pinch exactly where I want this board to go. As you can see, pretty happy with that curve right there. Got one wall up. So pumped.
children who were close enough to kiss. They went to prom.
So what I have behind me is the first wall we ever put up inside Chappie. 1/4 inch plywood, super clean. I am so happy on how these lines came out. Took my time with the jigsaw. Now I'm trying to figure out how to actually get it stuck up on the wall. Thinking about doing some liquid nail and getting things compressed in there. I have a assortment amount of clamps right here I'm going to use. So test fit's good. Now it's time to pull them off, apply a ton of liquid nail, and zip it back up there, and hopefully everything holds. So I'm going to apologize in advance. I actually had to do all of this stuff off camera because it was time sensitive. I wanted to make sure that I had all the glue set up and exactly where I wanted it, and then threw the sheet up, and now here are all my compression clamps. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold because that's how the factory did it. Not sure if I'm gonna get the windows in tonight, but I do know we're gonna have good weather the next 2 to 3 days, so leaving Chappie exposed like this shouldn't be an issue. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see ya. Thanks.